Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Mitsubishi Lancer RS Evolution 5 number 2 from XO models. This car won the 1998 RAC Rally and was piloted by Richard Burns and Robert Reid. A display base is included with the car and there is some information about the car printed on it. And there is the XO logo at the front. The headlights and the indicators look nice and are really well detailed, and you can see the bulbs inside them. All the vents on the bumper are really well detailed. There is the intercooler with the Mitsubishi logo on the lower grille, which is printed. The Mitsubishi logo on the upper grille is a decal. The vents on top of the bonnet look nice and the bonnet clips are photo etched. There are some logos on the bonnet as well. The wheels look nice and there is the Ralliart and the NK logos on it, and the lug nuts are detailed and it runs on Michelin tires. The mud flaps also look nice and there are many sponsor logos on the doors. There is the name of the driver and the co-driver on the rear door glass. The Mitsubishi logo is also present on the end plate of the rear wing. The tail lamps and the third brake light look nice and they're really well detailed. There's only the Ralliart and the Michelin logos at the back. There's an antenna on the boot lid as well. And this is the right side of the car. There's the roof scoop, Ralliart logos, the number 2 and the antenna on the roof. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard has only the instrument cluster and a few buttons just like on the real car. The digital instrument cluster is very clear. The steering wheel looks nice and there is a Mitsubishi logo in the center, which is a decal. There are the racing seats with the red seat belt and a 4-point harness, and the seat belt has the Seatbelt branding on them. The buckles on the seat belts are photo etched and there is nothing much to see on the door cards. There is the white roll cage at the back, as you can see. And this is how the roll cage looks like from the back, and there is a fire extinguisher behind the co-driver's seat. The co-driver's seat is same as on the driver's side. There is one more fire extinguisher on the co-driver's footwell. The instrument cluster for the co-driver is also really well detailed. The roof scoop looks nice and there is a Mitsubishi banner on top of the windshield. The windshield wipers are also really well detailed. And this is how the seats look like from the front. Both the mirrors have chrome inserts in them which can reflect really well, but the IRVM just has silver paint on it. You can see the roll bar on the roof as well. I'm going to unscrew the car now. The car looks really nice out of the base. The undercarriage has enough detailing on it and most of it is covered. You can also see the mud flaps clearly from here. Only the exhaust strip has silver paint on it. Both the front and rear wheels can roll freely. The wheels cannot be steered and do not have working suspension.
3, 2, 1.
So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.